I am so excited to have this power strip. Mainly because the plugs are almost 2 3/4 inches apart, which makes it possible for all of my odd shaped plugs to plug into a spot. So overall it's 42 inches long, and it has surge protection. So you've got the on-off button here, which also turned off my light. It shows if it's grounded and protected. What else can I say? I mean, the big thing for me is to have them far enough apart that each thing gets plugged in, and they're not piling on top of each other. They can each be plugged in and safely disperse power to the item they need to go to. It comes with some mounting brackets so you can mount them on a wall. And you've got the extra protective end covers. They bring the screws, all the instructions, how it works, how to install it. I'm pretty darn excited about getting it installed. This is going into my editing and live stream workstation, because it'll accommodate all of my hard drives and accessories I have for my editing station, plus free up a few of these for charging batteries, extra things that come along that I need to plug in. So that's it. I'm excited.